We got a new tool. This is the Rinaldi MTZ 100 Power Harrow with a 35-inch working width and a 39-inch overall width. We got this with our SARE grant. This is part of our bed prep. It's going to take the place of the tiller and the walk behind powered tilther. Our bed prep, we do several steps. When we're breaking new ground, we do have to use the tiller to break up the sod. Unfortunately, we don't have enough topsoil to scrape the sod off. We have to incorporate it and let it break down, and that can take some time. So we start with tilling. Once the grass is sufficiently killed, we can do the other steps. We switch over to the subsoiler and cuts a trench basically underneath the ground. The subsoiler is great for breaking up that deep compaction. If you have a hard pan where it's just your soil's not draining, you're creating a little pond in your fields. This is going to help with drainage so that the surface water is going deeper into the soil. It helps to keep it from running off the surface, and that's going to help with erosion, nutrient loss. And then we move to the undercutter. This is a great tool. We love this. It takes the place of the broad fork. It's fabulous for harvesting, but you can also use it as bed prep. Now, once you've got your subsoiler and your undercutter done, you've used the tiller to get through the sod, your final step is the Power Harrow. Now, this is going to create a fantastic seed bed that really loosens the soil, conditions it, breaks up clods, and you can see the difference between the condition of the soil after the Power Harrow versus after several rounds of tilling. We also got a compost spreader with our SARE grant. You can see that here. We like to lay down compost as mulch, especially. You can direct seed into it or direct plant, or if you're looking to condition the soil, you can incorporate it with the Power Harrow. I would not use this before tilling. You don't want to dilute your compost. If you need to increase the percentage of organic matter in your soil, either use it as mulch or use the Power Harrow to incorporate. Now, the subsoiler, the undercutter, and if you're going to use a tiller, the tilling, there's no particular order that those need to be used in. It's really just what you think is best. If you're going to put down compost that you want Power Harrowed in, then you just lay it down right before the last step of the Power Harrow. If you're going to use it as mulch, then you lay it down after you Power Harrow. All of these implements were part of our SARE grant. We really appreciate the funding that we received from Sustainable Agriculture Research and Education. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to our cohort farms, Ghost House, North Harvest CSA, and we are Whispering Wild Market Farm. And a special thanks to Mother Farmer for this additional footage.